to go see the red arrows. Red arrows. Red arrows. Red
Toby, look, can you see? Toby!
Where are we going? To see the planes?
Yeah.
Looking forward to seeing the red arrows today.
Me.
You need to sound excited. Toby, are you excited to see the red arrows?
Yeah.
Are you excited to see the red arrows?
Yeah.
The Blackpool Air Show.
The Blackpool Air Show. Is this where we're going to today?
2023.
2023?
In the rain.
In the rain?
Toby.
Excited, Tobesy?
Yeah.
Show me where Nala is.
Oh my.
Where's Nala?
No, they all keep. We're not gonna go. You keep on crying. Boy. Good. No. I don't care. I don't care.
Who stinks, Toby?
Do you want the clown to swim? Oh, the clown stinks. The flashing lights.
Flashing lights.
Who stinks? Mom, Toby said he stinks. Toby, who stinks?
Oh, get out there, there's light ducts.
How long have we been looking
5 minutes.
Even when the road gets tough, you're enough. I don't know how I deserve you. You know I'll always keep on coming back to you, back to you, back to you. Even when the road gets tough, you're enough.
Are you excited, guys? Excited, Toby?
No.
Toby, excited? Toby? No clowns today, planes.
I don't know how I deserve you. You know I'll always keep on coming back to you, back to you, back to you. You Even when the road gets tough, you're enough. I don't know how I deserve you. You know I'll always keep on coming back to you. Even when the road gets tough, you're enough. I don't know how I deserve.
Yeah, just go in it.
Sure.
Yeah, go in. Yeah, go in. I don't know. Just go in anyway. Yeah, they are. Pack it on the hill there. Right, Ellen. Ellen, come on. Come on. She missed it. She missed it.
I'll hold it.
This way.
I'll hold it.
I'm gonna hold my sliders. Feels good when the sun goes in between my fingers. Also annoys me. Where are we going?
Up this right one here, I think.
Well, that one, or that one.
So which one's your right arm, Abby? And which one's your left?
That.
Which one's your right arm?
This one.
No, right to the top hill, that'll be good. Get up there, go on.
I don't think I'll be able to go there.
Me and Abby will do it, come on.
I can't do it all the
Come on over, I bet you could do it. Everybody else is doing it. Go on, Abby. Push yourself, Abby. Push yourself. Abby, catch this.
Got it.
Good girl. You're in the way.
Can you hold this?
Yeah. Come back, Abby. Come on. Crawl up.
Again?
Yeah. Oh no. Now let's do a poo. Helen. In my coat. In the car.
Wait, Abby, keep an eye on that poo, darling, while I sort something out.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come back with a big thumbs up. Nala. Good girl.
I did it.
doing? Abby, come on, let's do this. Where's Toby? Where's Toby? Help Toby. Are you ready? Roly poly. Was that cool?
It's like that.
Can you get to the top then? Let's go, let's go, let's go!
The race, Toby!
Go, Abby! Go, Nala! Go, Toby! Who's gonna win? Go faster! Do you do it? Right, to the top and race down again. Ready? Are you going to roll down? Abby, do your heart sign. Go! Come on. You got to try and roll, Abby. Be better to roll, wouldn't it? Go on, so look at him, look at him, look at him! 1, 2, 3. Should we go again? You're eating Santos. Ew. Clear it off.
Have another race. Three, come on. Have another race up here.
Go to the top. Go, 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 go. Yeah, we go on this one, on this side. On this side, Abby.
I got here before Nala.
Good girl. Right, come down there on this side. Roly poly, I want you to do. On this side, over here. Over here. That's it, keep going. Yeah? Where are all these fresh sandies? Right, go. Roly poly. Oh. Go to it, go Abby. That is awesome. Right, let's go this way then.
No, I want to go again.
Mini slides, let's go. Let's go, Tobes. Look, Abby. Is it yours?
Yeah.
Let's go down the hill, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Roly poly!
Put back to my hand. High five! You have to go on the beach. I want to go on the beach. You want to go.
Toby! Toby! This way. I know. Let's go this way first. Quick. Can you see them, Abby? How many can you see?
7.
Zoom right in on them. They're lining up now, you see. Red arrows.
The red arrow. Say red arrows.
Abby, can you see?
I did it. I got it right. I said the plane is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going down.
They're coming now. Can you do it?
Ready?
They're coming now.
Wow, can you see it, Toby?
What do you think of that, Abby?
Wow.